To fix available credit not updating on Capital One, follow these steps. First, ensure you have made a payment and allowed sufficient time for the update to reflect in your account. It may take a few business days for the payment to process and the available credit to update. Next, sign in to your Capital One account online or through the mobile app to check for any pending transactions that may be holding up the update. If you have any pending transactions, wait for them to clear before checking your available credit again. If your available credit still has not updated, try clearing your browser cache or restarting the mobile app to ensure you are seeing the most up-to-date information. You can also try checking your account from a different device to rule out any issues with your device or browser. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Capital One customer service directly to report the problem. They will be able to investigate and update your available credit if necessary. Be prepared to provide your account information and details about the payment you made and when you made it. It is also important to note that available credit may not update immediately after a payment is made if the payment is still processing or if there are any holds on your account. In these cases, it is best to wait a few business days and check your account again before contacting customer service. Additionally, you can enroll in account alerts to notify you when your payment has been processed and your available credit has been updated. This can help you stay on top of your account activity and ensure that your available credit is always up to date. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of available credit not updating on Capital One and ensure that your account information is always accurate and up to date. Remember to always monitor your account activity and report any issues to customer service promptly to avoid any potential problems.